Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Metamask on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In order to log into Metamask using your desktop, you'll need to go ahead and download an extension for Metamask. Simply go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in metamask.io and press enter. You'll end up in this page over here. Simply click on the download button at the top of the screen, and here you'll be able to find links for Metamask to add in on your web browser or simply download it for your Android and iOS devices. In order to use Metamask on your desktop, you'll need to install the Metamask extension for your browser. Simply go ahead and select your browser that you're using currently and give it a click. You'll be able to find the add-on displayed on the next page. Click the Get button right next to Metamask and click on Add Extension in the pop-up at the top. Now you'll be able to see the download in progress at the top right-hand corner. Once it is done, you'll be able to add Metamask to your browser right away. A new tab will open up. Now you can click on Get Started and you'll be able to see two options on the next page. If you already have an existing wallet, you'll need to click on Import Wallet and enter the secret recovery phrases in order to log into Metamask. If you don't have a wallet yet, you can click on Create a Wallet and you'll be able to create a new wallet right away for Metamask. Since we are logging in today's video, let's click on Import Wallet. Now, go through the information once and click on I agree. Enter the secret recovery phrases that you've backed up for Metamask in the first text box. Type in the phrases in the correct order. Once you enter the secret recovery phrases, you can double check by clicking on the Show Secret Recovery Phrase box. Now go to the New Password text box and create a new password for your Metamask wallet. Confirm the password on the next field by typing it again and click on I have read and agree to the terms of use box and finally click on Import. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to import a wallet for Metamask. Click on All Done and that is how you'll be able to log into Metamask using your desktop. Pretty quick and easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.